Hello friends, greeting of the day. In this video, you will learn a briefing about what actually is XAMPP. So let's start our video. First of all, let's look at the definition. XAMPP is a free and open source cross-platform web server solution stack package developed by Apache friends. Now, you might be thinking, what is the meaning of this XAMPP? So let's look at it. X stands for cross platform, which means it can serve many servers like Apache server. M stands for MariaDB. Currently it is known as MySQL after 19th October 2015 and versions 5.5.30 and 5.6.14. Also, P stands for PHP and the next P stands for Perl language. Now let's look at the usage. Officially, XAMPP's designers intended it for use only as a development tool to allow website designers and programmers to test their work on their own computer without any access to the internet. To make this as easy as possible, many important security features are disabled by default. XAMPP has the ability to serve web pages on the World Wide Web. A special tool is provided to password protect the most important parts of the package, so it is secured comparatively. XAMPP also provides support for creating and manipulating databases in MariaDB and SQLite, among others. Once XAMPP is installed, it is possible to treat a local host like a remote host by connecting using an FTP client. Using a program like FileZilla has many advantages when installing a content management system like Joomla or WordPress. It is also possible to connect to localhost via FTP with an HTML editor. If you like the video, then do like, comment, share and subscribe. And if you want to see how to install XAMPP, then watch our another video. Thank you.